while since I filmed a vlog, so today I just got up and I was like, you know what? Today is going to be a vlog day. There's also something really exciting to share with you guys, and you may have heard about it on my Instagram stories because I did quickly mention it on there. I am having an exhibition in Derbyshire at the Cromford gallery, and there's going to be an opportunity if you guys want to come there and meet me, and we can meet and we can chat and like have art talk and just really cool stuff like that. It would be amazing to meet some of you guys. The exhibition for the pieces of my work that will be in there, so they'll be there from the 1st of July all the way through the month, but the meet-up time is going to be on the 8th, which is a Sunday, and it's going to start at 1 p.m. so I'm going to get there at 1 p.m. and I'll just stick around for however long anyone's there, basically. Just be really cool to meet you guys, and I don't know what else to say. Another cup of tea, I think. I feel like when you put your hair in a top knot, it's because you mean business. I thought it'd be cool to answer some questions that a lot of you guys ask often, let's just say. Oh, this is a good one. Do you have separate brushes for oil and acrylic? I do. I feel like oil paint really like degrades my brush a lot faster than acrylic paint, where you can tell the difference here. So this is my acrylic brush and that's my oil painting brush. The oil paint tends to stain the brushes a lot quicker, and it does just sort of degrade them. I think it's because of the spirits being used. That's an example of like two different brushes that I would use for oil and acrylic. Should we do one more question? Okay, this is one I get all the time, and I'm guessing this question is from other artists who are trying to set up their own like art business. Yeah, so the question is, do you print your own art prints yourself, or do you get them printed somewhere else? I know that there are a lot of artists that invest in a really good printer and print their own prints, and one day I would love to do that, but unfortunately I don't have the room or the funding right now. So I actually get them printed at a professional printers, and instead of like doing a bulk order, they are quite happy for me to do like one at a time, which really works for me because you don't have to like spend loads of money and then you've got to put them somewhere. I would always check out local printers. Obviously you want it to be like professional printers rather than the printer shops that are within stationery stores. Really go to someone that printing is their focus and their passion, because they'll do a really great job. So let's leave it there for questions. Okay, what should we do next? Basically, I've just come to the post office because a viewer sent me in a letter, and it was the most beautiful letter, and I really appreciate it. So I've written them a letter and I'm gonna go and send that now. So just in case you're watching, Mike and Julie, I just want to say a massive thank you for your letter. It was really beautiful to read, and I'm really pleased that my art and my YouTube channel has had that effect. I never ever in a million years thought it would have like such a positive effect on people, and I just want to say a massive thank you for letting me know that. So you will be getting a letter very soon, and hope it gets to you safely. So let's go and send this letter. So I thought it would be cool to show you some work that I've been doing recently, which are all flower artworks. So recently I did the little flower paintings like these, and I really enjoyed doing them, and I wanted to use my palette knife a bit more to create some more artworks. So this is like one of the bigger ones. I have these ones, which some are finished, some are still being made. I think I've got some footage of me painting them, which I'll pop in the vlog in a second. So if you guys want to know when they will go in my Etsy shop, then you can subscribe to the newsletter. I'll pop the link in the description box, and that's probably the best way to hear about like new releases. And yeah, so yeah, I'll pop some footage in now of me painting a couple of these, and so you can see the process that I go through. So guys, I think I'm going to leave the vlog there because I now have to make dinner for a very hungry husband. But I want to thank you so much guys for all your support. It really, really does mean the absolute world. So thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!